When I ask people how many layers do onions have, onions that we use to cook our soup, to cook our dishes, some people said, oh, he had 5 layers. Some said he has 4 layers. Some said he has 20 layers. But whatever you say, you are right. Onions has numerous, a lot of layers. Do you know that these layers represent different solutions to your different problems that you might be going through? Spiritual problems, health problems. In fact, onion has a lot of mystical powers. There's a lot of spiritual benefits of onion that you don't know yet. Okay? And if you are ever get into any problems, such a way that you are suffering from witchcraft, you are under the yoke of the enemy, you are suffering disappointment, no money, okay, or you know that somebody is responsible for your downfall, or let's say you want to cast a spell, you want to make your lover to love you so much, you can use that. Or maybe yours is just to make sure you get a glowing skin, okay, or you want to use it to stop an itchy eye. Whatever this problem is, I'm ready to teach you the best way to use onion, red onion, okay, to solve all these problems. A lot of our members on this channel, they complain, okay, they watch TV, they watch news, and they see a lot of stories that happen in the situation where they find out that there's a divorce going on somewhere, somebody just separated, or somebody was killed as a result of witchcraft, okay, so many things. Or they see somebody that is suffering from skin diseases, rash, pimples, and all of that, or somebody has itchy eye, so many things going on over there. So a lot of these members, they get scared. They're like, wow, hope this doesn't happen to me. And what if it happens? What am I going to do to this? Okay, I want to tell you right now that if you are one of such people, I want you to be rest assured there is solution over here by the power in the mighty name of God. These problems is solved. What I just want to tell you first is to make sure that you are very prayerful. God delights in prayer. Okay, if you are somebody that is prayerful, you are very watchful, okay, and you do the right thing, God Almighty is going to be on your side. In fact, most of your problems, they are solved that way. Okay, now let's get to onion right now. Do you know that you can use onion to deal with anybody responsible for your downfall? Imagine a situation whereby somebody, some enemies, they were just out from nowhere without you hurting anybody. They just came for you and they were responsible for your downfall, for your disappointment, or for any witchcraft against you. Please get one onion and get about 50 long needles. Okay? Pray and say you are using the onions to fish out and to deal with anybody, okay, that is withholding or that is blocking your destiny. As you are praying over that onion, please be sticking that the nails or the needles, be sticking it in the onion, be sticking it in the onion, be sticking it in the onion. Okay, as you're praying one by one, you'll be sticking that thing in there. So now, when you are sticking the needle and you are praying, don't call name. Okay, after you have inserted the needles on the onion, go to your house now and you are going to drop it on your window. Just place it on your window or somewhere very safe for 7 days. What will happen will shock you. Okay, what will happen will shock you. All right, now whether this person is your close friends, whether they are relative or whatever it is, you will see that something will definitely happen and they will definitely come and confess. Okay, they will confess of what they've done to you. They've confessed and they're going to beg you. All right, so now if he or she confessed before 7 days, remove the needle. Okay, just remove the needle and throw away the onion. If you want the witch, okay, to die, just bury the onion for 7 days and do it and testify. Another thing you can use onion for, do you know that you can use onion to cast love spell? Okay, So now all you have to do is just get one onion, get a white paper, write your name. Write your name, write the name of your lover, okay, your own name and your name of your lover, and you write that we will be bonded in love. Okay, write it on the paper. Then cut the onion in half and fold the paper. Don't cut the onion all the way, just cut it a little bit and fold the paper in half and place that paper in the middle of the onion. Okay, and just use one needle to hold the paper and the onion together and go and bury it. What will happen will shock you. If you succeed, you will see that he or she will love you so much. If you're using it to bring them back to you, they will love you like no other. Do you know that you can use onion to get clear skin? If you're somebody that has pimples, you have acne, you know how embarrassing it could be. Okay, now you could have boil on your face, pimples and all that. All you have to do is just get one onion, cut it, okay, and use it to scrub all over the affected area. Just use it to scrub the affected area for 7 days. You will see it clear away in no time. In fact, it will be like a magic. You will be shocked. All right. Another way to use onion. You can use onion to stop itchy eye. Okay. Or you can use it to have a good eyesight. Just open one onion. Okay. Just cut it into half and scrub all over your eye. Just use it to scrub all over your eyes. Okay. The itchiness will stop and you'll be seeing clearer. Onion is you can also blend the juice and just put a little, but if you don't want it to be too hot on your eyes, don't worry about that. Just rub it on your eye like this, just around your eye. Okay, your eyes will clear and you will get a good sight. Do you know that you can use onion? Imagine a scenario where you are traveling. You know, when you are traveling, there's always something at the back of your mind. You don't know, you're fearful, like fear of the unknown. You don't know whether that travel is going to be successful, that journey maybe is going to be successful or wherever. Maybe you're going to be safe. Okay, you want to travel to somewhere far away and you want to know about your travel. If it is safe, get me one onion. Okay, just one onion and tie it with an handkerchief. Okay, if you don't have an handkerchief, you can get like a rope or something. All right, just tie it and pray into it to see about your travel. Pray over it and leave that onion under your pillow and sleep that night. That night, you will travel spiritually to the place you want to travel to physically. Okay, and many things about your travel will be revealed to you. Okay, watch your dream that night. If there is danger, okay, anything, accident or bad thing, you will see it in your dream. All right, and if your flight or your travel is going to be safe, you will see it there. So this is very, very powerful. That's a lot of spiritual benefits of onion right there. So please, I want to believe that this video is helpful. For more spiritual video, watch this video next. All right, if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, like this video. My name remains Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. I love all of you. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye.